Students, in the previous period, you have studied about what is the meaning of mean and how to find the mean of given observations. Today, we shall study about mode and median. First, try to try to understand what is mode and what is median. Now, take for example some numbers. I will give you some observations. Example number 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4. Now look at these given numbers. These are the observations we are given: 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4. Now these are the given observations. Write these given observations, write these given numbers in any one order. It may be ascending order or it may be descending order. Therefore, arranging these observations in ascending order. First write 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then write 3 once only. Then write 4, 4, 4, 4. Count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have arranged the given observations in the ascending order. So, when we arrange the given observations in the ascending order, there are only 4 digits: digit 1, digit 2, digit 3 and 4. Now 1 is repeated. 1 occurs 3 times, 2 occurs 4 times, 3 occurs only once and 4 occurs 2 times. Here 1 occurs or 1 appears or 1 repeated. 1 repeated. How many times? Yes, 3 times. 3 times. 2 repeated. 2 repeated. How many times? 4. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. And next, 3 appears or 3 repeated. 3 repeated only once, 1 time. And 4 repeated twice. 4 repeated 2 times. So here, by observing these observations, which number is repeated more times? Yes, very good. 2 repeated more times. Therefore, in the given observation, the number 2 is appeared maximum number of times. So, observation which appeared most frequently is called the mode. Mode is an observation. It is an observation which appears most frequently, which occurs most frequently is called the mode. Therefore, 2 repeated maximum number of times, maximum number of times. Therefore, mode of given data, mode of given data or given observations is 2. So, mode means mode is an observation which appears, which repeats maximum number of times. It is called the mode. Yes, this is about how to identify the mode, how to find the mode in the given observations, in the given list of numbers. Similarly, come to study about median. Now take some numbers. Now take some numbers: 35, 32, 35, 42, 48, 42, no, this is 38, 32 and 34. These are the given list of numbers. In this given list of numbers, we are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. Now the given numbers are not in any order. These numbers, these given observations, these are the observations. These observations are not in any ascending order or descending order. So, arranging the observations in a particular order by arranging these numbers in ascending order, we get, begin from smallest number. Smallest number is 32, then once again 32, after 32, 34, after 34, 35, 35, 35, 35, then 36, 37, 30, 38, 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36. 38, not 36, this is 38, then 42. Now count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What we have done here? We wrote the given observations in the increasing order. When we write the given observations in the increasing order, find which is lying in the middle. Now see here, which lies in the middle in this list? Yes, 35. This is the center number. From this 35, from this number, there are 3 numbers to the left side and similarly 3 numbers on the right side. Therefore, this number lying exactly at the center, exactly in the middle. So this is called the median. So what is median? Yes, can anybody tell? Yes, median is one of the observation in the given list of number which lies in the middle. Median is an observation. Median is one of the observation. It is an observation which lies in the middle. It is called the median. Okay, students, this is about the basic knowledge of mode and median. Students, today you have studied what is the meaning of mode and how to identify mode in the given list of numbers. Similarly, what is median and how to find the median in the given list of numbers. So in the next period we will study the exercise about to find mode and median.